In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark emails as spam in AOL Mail. If your inbox is filling up with unwanted messages, marking them as spam does more than just clear the clutter. It also trains AOL Mail to automatically catch similar messages in the future, keeping your inbox safer and easier to manage. Start by opening your web browser and searching for AOL Mail. This is the quickest way to get to the sign-in page. When the search results appear, look for the official AOL Mail link. Before you click, take a second to confirm it's the legitimate site. The web address should point to AOL's official domain, and you should see a secure connection indicator in your browser. That simple check helps you avoid phishing pages that try to imitate the real site. Click the first official result to open AOL Mail. Once the page loads, head to the upper right corner and select the Login or Join option. Sign in with your AOL account to get to your inbox. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight there. After the inbox opens, give it a moment to load all your messages, especially if you haven't opened it in a while. Now, find the message or messages you want to report as spam. You don't need to open them. Instead, look at the list of emails and click the small checkbox next to each unwanted message. You can select a single email or several at once if you're seeing multiple from the same sender or with similar subjects. Selecting without opening helps you avoid interacting with suspicious links or attachments. With your unwanted emails selected, look to the toolbar at the top of your inbox and choose the Spam button. In many layouts, it appears as a clearly labeled option, sometimes alongside icons for delete or move. Click Spam, and AOL Mail will immediately move those messages to your spam folder. If you see a brief confirmation or undo option, that's normal. It's just there in case you clicked the wrong message. From here on, AOL Mail uses that feedback to better recognize similar emails and route them away from your inbox automatically. It's a good habit to review your inbox regularly and mark new spam as you see it, which continually improves the filter. And if you ever mark something by mistake, don't worry. You can visit the spam folder and choose Not Spam to return it to your inbox and teach the filter that the sender is legitimate. That's all you need to keep AOL Mail tidy and safer. Search for AOL Mail, open the official link, sign in, select the unwanted emails, and hit Spam. Thanks for watching, and keep your inbox clean and secure.